Hello, Internet. Are you ready to rock? Let's rock and roll on the griddle. Hey, how's it going? It's lunchtime. Let's try a sandwich. Let's maybe throw on a piece of oven roasted turkey, just for spits and giggles. And we got some roast beef. I know I've done variations of this, but this is another variant, so there. We got, that should be plenty of roast beef, don't you think? Maybe one more? Okay. We got aged Swiss cheese. Let's remove these meats out of the sun. So, I went camping the last couple of days, or whenever. It was just over the mountain, next to a lake. It was beautiful. And the weather here said it would get down to about 60. I can handle that. But let me turn these down to low. Being next to the lake and lower elevations, and it was, I bet it was 45, 50. I was freezing because I didn't take all my heavy gear. I mistakenly planned for nice moderate temperatures, and boy was I wrong. I can turn this side off. Let me move all the meats over here. In case you missed it, I borrowed a 17-inch griddle, and I gotta say I wasn't too impressed. I sure do like my 28-inch, and I'd love to have the bigger one. So, we got bread. We're not using butter, we're not using mayo, we're using ranch, because I like ranch. Turns out really good on a sandwich. Honest, you should try it. Let's take out our butter knife here. Spread it around good. Uh-oh. It's also drippy. Really do like the flavor it gives. Let's stick you right about here. Maybe here. Go on to some turkey. Let's turn down all the way. Get back here. Try to get out our Swiss before things get carried away. One Swiss. Some meat. These meats turn out really good on the griddle, by the way. And what do you say we add one more slice, just to keep it interesting? One more slice of cheese, one more slice of bread, and one more slice of ranch dressing. I know. I can be punny if I want to. It's my party and I'll pun if I want to. Pun if I want to. You would pun too, if it happened to you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, look at that. Look how perfectly brown the mayo can be. Put on a dome. Move the ranch out of the shade, out of the sun. By the way, while I was gone, the Facebook page has reached a record number of followers. Between likes and followers, it's over 3,000 now, and I want to thank each and every one of you, 3,000 people. Even the trolls who watch just for me to screw up so they can laugh at me. I can handle it! I'm okay now. Yeah, I'm grateful for everybody. The trolls just complain about me being a Jethro, or my shirt not because I didn't button the bottom button, which I don't like the button. Screw you. Some of you give helpful advice like don't pick up the dog's ball and throw it while you're cooking. Okay, you have a legitimate point. I'm a farm boy. I'm a redneck. I'm a Jethro, and it just doesn't bother me. But I can understand it bothering some of y'all. So I've tried to do better. So here's our sandwich. Ain't that pretty? Here, let's change your lens. Yum. Yeah, there's some helpful advice, and I appreciate real, legitimate advice and concerns. A lot of times, especially on the griddling groups, the comments are just something like, well, I just would have made it in the oven. Well, it's not you. You may want to cook the biscuits on the griddle, or the meat, or the roast, or whatever. Just do it your way and let us do it our way. Look at that. Yum. Anyway. Yeah, today's lesson, don't be a troll. But once again, I thank you for watching me make a stupid sandwich and not throw the ball for the puppy dog. Look how sad she is. Someone throw my ball. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, y'all. Come back and see us again real soon, you hear? Bye!